Hey, what's going on, folks? It's Michael, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharpening these lawnmower blades. Now, we're going to be using the WorkSharp Elite sharpening system. It is the system you see in front of me. That is the WorkSharp Ken Onion Edition with the blade grinder attachment. Now, I'm not going to be using the riser that allows me to get perfect straight edges, which is for sale on my website down below, and I am just going to be freehanding these. So the belt that I'm going to be using is a P50. This is a P50 Cubitron, which is the line of belts I recommend for heavy material removal to my students that are in the sharpening accelerator, which is also in the description if you're interested in starting a sharpening business. It basically walks you through sharpening everything and how to get this business up and going. So what I'm doing first when it comes to sharpening these lawnmower blades is I'm taking a look at the wear that they all have, and then I proceed to matching the angle, which you can see here I am doing. And I am very fortunate to operate next to a small engine repair shop that services mowers, and so I do get a ton of practice and experience on these mower blades. So when it comes to doing this, it's just a matter of material removal and being able to match the old angle. Now, if you change the angle or you sharpen it like a knife, or if you mess up the angles completely, it's not going to work right. So you want to take your time when you're doing these. This is why you can see me here doing it. Check my scratch pattern and just make sure I'm staying on point. So we'll go ahead and speed this up and see how these come out. Just wanted to do a quick shout out to one of my students, Jeremy. He's out in Somerset. If you're in New Jersey, check out Somerset Sharpener. He will most certainly get you taken care of. He's a young, motivated entrepreneur, and he is crushing it with his sharpening business. And just keep up the great work, Jeremy. Really proud of the things that you're doing and excited to see where this venture takes you. And like I said, if you are new and you do want to be like Jeremy, getting 5-star reviews as soon as possible following a proven process, link will be in the description for you guys. Highly recommend checking it out, especially if you're in need of a side hustle and be earning income very quickly. And here's where I noticed the chips were still prevalent, so I decided to sharpen this flat, and then I'm going to go ahead and set the edge myself. And I want to use this opportunity to say a Bible verse with you all. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your paths. The truth. And thank you guys for being a part of all this.